Number 1. The biology trap. We are not all built the same. Chronotypes are real. Some people are genetically wired to be night owls. If you fight your biology to join the 5 a.m. club, you are operating against your own engine. You aren't disciplined, you are inefficient. Number 2. The sleep debt. Hustle culture tells you to sleep when you're dead. Science says if you don't sleep, you will die sooner. Cutting sleep to wake up early drops your IQ, kills your testosterone, and spikes your cortisol. You are trading long-term health for short-term ego. Number 3. The fake productivity. Just because you are awake doesn't mean you are working. Staring at a screen at 5:15 a.m. with brain fog isn't a flex. It's a waste of time. 1 hour of high-energy work at 10 a.m. beats 3 hours of zombie work at 5 a.m. Number 4. The consistency myth. Most people who start the 5 a.m. routine quit in 2 weeks. They burn out. It is better to wake up at 7 a.m. for the rest of your life than to wake up at 5 a.m. for a month and then crash. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Number 5. The energy window. Stop managing your time and start managing your energy. Find your peak window. If you are sharpest at midnight, work at midnight. The goal is output, not a timestamp on an alarm clock. Number 6. The social cost. To wake up at 5 a.m. comfortably, you need to be in bed by 9 p.m. That means no dinners, no networking, no late conversations. Sometimes, the opportunity is in the late night meeting, not the early morning isolation. Number 7. The outcome. Over output. Nobody cares what time you wake up. They care what you get done. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk have different schedules, but they both have results. Judge your day by the wins you stack, not the hour you rise. Write down your 8th one for the good of the viewers.